Chapter 1, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. In this chapter, we will learn what is artificial intelligence, goals of artificial intelligence, types of artificial intelligence, examples of artificial intelligence in our daily life, advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence, and at the last, we'll learn major areas of applications of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? The term artificial intelligence is composed of two words, that is artificial and intelligence. The word artificial means non-natural, that is anything that is man-made, and intelligence refers to the ability to understand, think and learn. So, combining both, the AI can be defined as a man-made thinking power. In simple words, the artificial intelligence is basically creating intelligent software and making a machine that is smart. A machine that has the power to think, the power to learn, and analyze to make decisions like humans. Artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer controlled robot, or a software think intelligently, in the manner any intelligent humans would think. Artificial intelligence is accomplished by studying how human brain thinks, learns, decides and works while trying to solve a problem, and then using the outcomes of this study as a basis of developing intelligent software and systems. Now we are going to study what is human intelligence. Mental quality that consists of the abilities to learn from experience, adapt to new situations, understand and handle abstract concepts, and use knowledge to manipulate one's environment is human intelligence. The goal of artificial intelligence is to create expert systems. The systems which are mentioned here should have the ability to display intelligent behavior, learn, demonstrate, explain, and provide the users with the best advices. Implementing intelligence in machines. This intends to develop systems which can understand, think, learn, and behave like humans. Now we are going to learn the types of artificial intelligence. Number 1 is narrow artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is said to be a narrow when the machine can perform a specific task extremely well, even better than humans. They are also called as weak AI. Programmed to perform a single task, they lack the self-awareness, consciousness to perform intelligent tasks. An example would be a poker game when a machine beats human, wherein all rules and moves are fed into the machine. Second type of artificial intelligence is general artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence reaches the general state when it can perform any intellectual task with the same accuracy level as a human would. It means the machines that can actually think and perform tasks on its own just like human beings. They are self-aware and conscious to take decisions. Third type of artificial intelligence is strong artificial intelligence. An artificial intelligence is strong when it can beat humans in many tasks. In this slide, we are going to learn the example of artificial intelligence in our daily life. Talking about the AI, there is no better and more prominent display of this technology than what smart car and drone manufacturers are doing with it. Just a few years back, using a fully automatic car was a dream. However, now companies like Tesla and Google have made so much progress that we already have a fleet of semi-automatic cars on the road. Companies like Amazon and Walmart are heavily investing in drone delivery programs, and it will become a reality far sooner than you expect. If you think that's far-fetched, do note that militaries all over the world have already been using successful drone programs. Digital assistants: Apple's Siri, Google Now, Amazon's Alexa, and Microsoft's Cortana are digital assistants that help users perform various tasks, from checking their schedules and searching for something on the web to sending commands to another app. AI is an important part of how these apps work because they learn from every single user interaction. This allows them to better recognize speech patterns and serve users results that are tailored to their preferences. A robot is a machine designed to execute one or more tasks automatically with speed and precision. There are as many different types of robots as there are different tasks for them to perform. Roomba 980 model vacuum. It uses AI to scan a living area's size, looks for objects that might be in the way, and remembers the best route for cleaning the carpet. Smartphones have become the most indispensable tech product that we own today, and we use it almost all the time. Well, if you are using a smartphone, you are interacting with AI whether you know it or not. Online ads network. It is one of the biggest users of artificial intelligence. The online ad industry, which uses AI to not only track users' statistics but also serve ads based on those statistics. Without AI, the online advertisement industry will just fail, as it would show random ads to user with no connection to their preferences. Music and media streaming services are the great example of how AI impacts our lives. These are the services that we are using on a daily basis. Whether you are using Spotify, Netflix, or YouTube, AI is making the decision for you. Almost all music streaming services help users to create the right playlist through AI. Video games. The video game industry is probably one of the earliest adopters of AI. Take the 80s arcade game Pac-Man for example. Each ghost features unique forms of AI to try and catch the player as they made their way around the maze. Now we are going to discuss the advantages of artificial intelligence. First advantage of artificial intelligence is less errors, as decisions are taken on previously gathered information and certain algorithms without the interference of humans. Therefore, errors are reduced and the chance of reaching accuracy with a great degree of precision is a possibility. Second advantage of artificial intelligence is faster decisions. Using artificial intelligence, decisions can be taken very fast. For example, we all have played chess games in Windows. It is nearly impossible to beat CPU in hard mode because of the AI behind the game. Third example of artificial intelligence is it can work continuously. Unlike humans, machines do not get tired, even if it has to work for consecutive hours. This is a major benefit of AI over the humans who need rest time to time to be efficient. Fourth advantage of artificial intelligence is taking risk on behalf of humans. In various situations, robots can be used instead of humans to avoid the risk, such as robots can be programmed to explore space because metal body can adapt to external changes in different situations, but the human body cannot. In military forces, robots can be programmed to defuse a bomb. Fifth example of artificial intelligence is it has no emotion. The complete absence of emotions make machines to think logically and take right decisions, wherein humans, emotions are associated with moods that can affect human efficiency. Complete absence of emotions allow machines to take correct decisions. Sixth advantage of artificial intelligence is daily applications. In today's era, AI is used in many applications just like Apple's Siri, Windows Cortana, Google's OK Google. Using these types of applications, we can communicate with the device using our voice, which makes our work easy. Now we are going to study the disadvantages of artificial intelligence. First disadvantage of AI is high cost. Creation of artificial intelligence requires huge cost as they are very complex machines. The hardware and software needs to get updated with time to meet the latest requirements. Machines need repairing and maintenance, which is costly and often time consuming. Second disadvantage of artificial intelligence is unemployment. The increasing number of AI machines are leading to unemployment and job security issues. As machines are replacing human resources, the rate at which people are losing their jobs will increase. Third disadvantage of artificial intelligence is it cannot think out of box. Robots can only do the work that they are programmed to do. They cannot act on anything different outside of whatever algorithm or programming is stored in their internal circuits. When it comes to a creative mind, nothing can beat a human mind. Fourth disadvantage of artificial intelligence is that humans are highly dependent on machines. In today's generation, most of the people are highly dependent on applications like Siri. With so much assistance from machine, humans may not use their thinking abilities and this will gradually decrease their mental capacities. Major areas of applications of artificial intelligence. We can say that the most important application of artificial intelligence is to be able to design human-like intelligent system. Major tech companies are still working on it for a while, but it is still not achieved accurately. It might take some time to achieve that goal. Apart from that, there are many important areas of applications of artificial intelligence can be found and we can classify them as follows. Expert system, game playing, natural language, speech recognition, computer vision, and robotics. The expert systems are one of the important applications of artificial intelligence. The expert systems are basically some computer applications that store the experience and knowledge of human experts based on some particular domain, which are then served to the user when needed. Game playing. In the beginning of 21st century, game playing was not that much enjoyable or interesting as graphics quality was not good and the artificial intelligence used at that time was not well developed. But if we see nowadays, we can play the high-end games online which are more realistic in nature. The concept of artificial intelligence is implemented in modern games and we even don't feel that we are playing with the machine. It is so real. Natural language processing. We know that machine does not recognize the languages like English, Hindi, Spanish, etc. that we speak. They only understand machine languages, that is the language based on the binary and hexadecimal number system. But the problem is that human beings can't understand that language. So, to recognize and understand our natural language by a machine, the concept of natural language processing comes up. Natural language processing mainly consists of two components. First component is natural language understanding. It means how a machine can understand our languages, how our speech gets transformed into machine understandable form, etc. A complex processing algorithm is required to achieve this because a natural language can be very ambiguous. Second component is natural language generation. It is the reverse process of natural language understanding. The machine converts its language to human understandable natural languages. Speech recognition. The speech recognition is one of the most commonly used application of artificial intelligence. Basically, it refers to the ability of the machine that understands the words we say. When a machine receives our voice, it first records, then analyzes, and finally translates the sound into some predefined words to recognize them. Computer vision. Computer vision is the ability to obtain a high-level understanding of the digital images and videos by the machines. The primary goal of computer vision is to recognize and interpret images. It means what is present in a scene or what is actually going on. Robotics. Robotics is a branch derived from the mechanical, electronics, and computer science engineering. It is the study of designing, constructing, operating some intelligent machines that can make our task easy. A robot can do repetitive work without getting bored. Here we are going to discuss some of the popular social robots that are present in the world. First is Sophia. It is created by Handsome Robotics. Sophia is a humanoid-like robot that is capable of holding a conversation. This robot has appeared in several high-profile interviews and appearances, including a spot on the Jimmy Fallon show. Sophia is unusual as she is being given official citizenship of Saudi Arabia and also the United Nations title of Innovation Champion. Dream is the second most popular social robot present in the world. A Reem is a full-sized humanoid service robot created by PAL Robotics. This robot can act as a receptionist, provide entertainment for guests, make presentations, and give speeches in different languages, and help with the variety of chores. Asimo is the third social robot in the world. Asimo is a humanoid robot created by Honda in 2000. Since then, it has been continually developed and has become one of the world's most advanced social robot with the ability to walk, run, and even use the stairs. Another two most popular social robotics that are present in the world are Pepper and Gigabot. Pepper is introduced in 2014, manufactured by SoftBank Robotics. Pepper is the world's first robot that is capable of recognizing human emotions. Pepper is social and capable of having conversations with people, giving them directions, even dancing with them. Gigabot is used to carry out your own bags in such a core. With Gigabot, worry no more, which is a robot created by Piaggio. This compact robot is designed to follow you around while you are out and about in town or on the way to work. Let us revise all the things that we have learned in this chapter. First, we have learned what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. Second, we have learned the word artificial means non-natural, that is, anything that is man-made, and intelligence means the ability to understand, think, and learn. Third, we have understand a human intelligence is defined as a general mental ability in humans for reasoning, problem solving, and learning. Then we have learned the narrow artificial intelligence or weak artificial intelligence does only a specific type of task, example poker game. We have covered the concept of general artificial intelligence, which means the machines that can actually think and perform tasks on their own, just like human beings. Then we have studied the strong artificial intelligence, which means when it can beat humans in many tasks. After that, we have studied the goal of artificial intelligence is to create the expert system and implement intelligence in machines. At the last, we have studied a robot is a programmable, self-controlled device consisting of electronic, electrical, and mechanical units.